ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. Today we are going to do one of my very favorite poem. So we will be going to do this poem. ಇದು 7th standard na ತಿಳಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ನ ಒಂದು ಪದ್ಯ. This is a poem from 7th standard ತಿಳಿ ಕನ್ನಡ textbook. The poem is Shravana banthu kaadige, which is been written by ದಾರಾ ಬೇಂದ್ರೆ. So ದಾರಾ ಬೇಂದ್ರೆ ಜ್ಞಾನಪೀಠ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪುರಸ್ಕೃತರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರು. ಜ್ಞಾನಪೀಠ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ is one of the highest award in the literature which will be given to the person. So Dara Bendre is one of that person. Dattatreya Ramachandra Bendre, who has got the Gnanapita Prashasti in Kannada. So this poem has been written by Dara Bendre, Dattatreya Ramachandra Bendre. One of my very favorite poems, Shravana banthu kaadige, and it also has a very good tune. I'm really sorry I won't be able to sing the tune, but I can give a link of that song, which is being composed by C. Ashwath sir. C. Ashwath. You can go and check out that. So we'll start. Before starting, take out your textbook, pencil tagoli, eraser tagoli, and sit in a quiet place. Poem start madana. Shravana banthu kaadige. Shravana is the name of a season, masa. Okay, it's according to a different calendar. Shravana is called, but when you take it to the English calendar, it will be according to the Indian calendar is a Shravana. According to the English calendar, it will be like from July to August. Okay, so how the weather will be in July to August? Actually, it was rain almost start agirutte. The summer kammi agirutte. You will be having a windy. Nowadays the weather is being little tricky, and it is not so easy to deduct. It is not easy to say it like earlier, but still this is how the Shravana will be. So here the poet is talking about the Shravana. What happens to the mother nature? What happens to our surrounding when the Shravana comes? How it will be? So you will see everywhere it rains, and it will be so windy. Everywhere the water will be filled. Everywhere it looks so greenery, so beautiful. The falls will be filled, and it is the beauty of a Shravana. So that is being explained in the poem Shravana banthu kaadige. We'll learn the meaning and we'll see how beautifully is being narrated by the poet Dattatreya Ramachandra Bendre, Dara Bendre. And please make sure that you read about all the poet, every poet when you read the poet and the author also. We'll start. Shravana banthu kaadige, banthu naadike. Shravana, it came everywhere. It came to the forest, kaadige. It came to the city, naadike. Banthu beedige, it came even to the mane, home. Beedu is a home. Shravana banthu. That is the first two lines. So Shravana came everywhere. Kadalige banthu Shravana. Kadalu is a samudra, the ocean. It came, the Shravana came to the ocean like, it looked like Kunidhanga Ravana. Ravana is a demon, right, who was very well known in the south part of India. So it is like he is holding the entire region. So it is like so ferociously, the Shravana has come. It's pouring like anything. The rain, it's like anything. Kunidava gali, it's not only the rain, it's also the wind, gali. Bhairavana rupatali. Bhairava is another form of a Shiva, the fierceful form of a Shiva. The air is so windy, the place is so windy, like it looks like, resembles like a Bhairava. Shravana banthu gattaka, Rajya pattaka, Banamattaka. So Shravana, it came to the Gatta. Gatta is a betta. So it is coming to everywhere. It is coming to the mountain. It is come to the Patta. It has taken the throne shape. It has taken the throne because it is everywhere. Shravana is everywhere. Ella kade ide Shravana. Yeryava mugilu. It is still, the mugilu is a moda. Alli tanka ide. Ravi kane hade hagalu. Ravi andre Surya, sun. Kane is not able to see the morning. So what happens during the winter or the rainy season mostly? So this is the between the winter and the rainy season, right? We see the sun. So that is what happening. The moda has covered the sun. The sun is not able to see the morning. We are not able to see the morning. Shravana banthu holi galige. Holi is a hole, lake. Ade Shubhagalike, that is a very good moment because everywhere it is getting filled. When it fills, the lake getting filled, it's a good sign that we have a good environment, we have a good oxygen. Holigalige mattu maligalige. So again, mali is a rain, holi is a lake. Gyade lagna, lagna andre it's a marriage. So for someone there is a marriage. Who has getting married? The lake and the rain is getting married. It's like because of the rain, the lake, river, ocean, everything is getting filled. It's like a marriage of hole and the male. Adaraga Bhumi Magna. Magna is a concentrated. So because of this, it's raining so heavily and the environment is so beautiful. The mother nature, the mother earth is so concentrated and she's just looking at it and she's enjoying the nature. So this is the beauty of Shravana. Shravana bantu urige. Shravana, it came to the Uru. Uru is a place. Keri kerige, to every street. Hode the jurige. So it is like swinging, the raining, it's like a swinging. Jokali eri, it's like you are in the cradle and you are swinging. It's like that, it's raining and raining everywhere. Adaryava marakahari. It's like ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಮರದಿಂದ ಮರಕ್ಕೆ ಹಾರಿ. It's so beautiful. The rain, it looks beautiful at each and every street, and the place looks so beautiful because of a Shravana. And it has made mind so swinging. So my mind has become so happy. It is swinging in the happiness. That is the meaning of these lines. Shravana bantu mani manige. Money is a home. It came for every home. Koodi dani danige. Koodi, together, each and every voices. Manada nani konige. Nani koni andre, it's like for every person, for every being and every flower in the every trees and every flowers, every living beings, every living things, everyone is enjoying Shravana. Odedava hadu rasa ukkutava nodu. So it's like a singing a song. The Shravana is a singing a song, and everywhere it is filled with such a happiness. So that is the, sorry, I just missed the poem. Okay, yes. So everyone there in the celebration of a Shravana and they're enjoying the Shravana. That is the meaning of the poem. Hope you understood. It's a very simple poem. I can make it a little complicated also, but I'm making it a little more easier for you so that you can understand in a easier way. Understood? There can be multiple way of explaining this, so don't stick on to one explanation. You can go and watch the other videos also. You will get much more information. You will like it, and that is good always to go and watch the other videos to make your knowledge much more good, vast. Okay, we'll start reading once again. Then I'll just say the first two lines of the poem with the tune. First we'll read the poem. You can read along with me or you can say it after me. Shravana bantu kaadige, bantu nadige, bantu beedige, Shravana bantu. Kadalige bantu Shravana, kunidhanga Ravana, kunidava gali, Bhairavana rupa tali. ಶ್ರಾವಣ ಬಂತು ಘಟ್ಟಕ ರಾಜ್ಯ ಪಟ್ಟಕ ಬಾನ ಮಟ್ಟಕ ಏರ್ಯಾವ ಮುಗಿಲು ರವಿ ಕಾಣೆ ಹಾಡೆ ಹಗಲು. ಶ್ರಾವಣ ಬಂತು ಹೊಳಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಅದೇ ಶುಭಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಳಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತ ಮಳಿಗೆ, ಮತ್ತ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಮತ್ತು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾದೆ ಆಗಿದೆ ಲಗ್ನ, ಆಗಿದೆ ಇಸ್ ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಬಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪೆಂಡ್, ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅದರಾಗ ಭೂಮಿ ಮಗ್ನ. ಶ್ರಾವಣ ಬಂತು ಊರಿಗೆ ಕೇರಿ ಕೇರಿಗೆ ಹೊಡೆದ ಝೂರಿಗೆ, ಝೂರಿ ಇಸ್ ಜೋಕಾಲಿ, ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ವಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಸಿಕಲಿ. ಜೋಕಾಲಿ ಏರಿ ಅಡರ್ಯಾವ ಮರಕ ಹಾರಿ, ಅಡರ್ಯಾವ ಇಸ್ ಆಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಪ್ಲೇಡ್. ಶ್ರಾವಣ ಬಂತು ಮನಿ ಮನಿಗೆ ಕೂಡಿ ದನಿ ದನಿಗೆ, ಮನದ ನನಿ ಕೊನಿಗೆ ಒಡೆದಾವ ಹಾಡು ರಸ ಉಕ್ಕುತ್ತಾವ ನೋಡು. ಶ್ರಾವಣ ಬಂತು. ಈ ಪದ್ಯವನ್ನು ಬರೆದವರು ದ.ರಾ ಬೇಂದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ದ ಟ್ಯೂನ್. I won't be very good in the singing. I'll just give you the song, the tune. You can go and check in the YouTube. Search Shravana bantu kaadige C. Yashaswi. You will get the song. ಶ್ರಾವಣ ಬಂತು ಕಾಡಿಗೆ, ಬಂತು ನಾಡಿಗೆ, ಬಂತು ಬೀಡಿಗೆ. ಹೋ ಬಂತು ಶ್ರಾವಣ, ಹೋ ಬಂತು ಶ್ರಾವಣ. ಕಡಲಿಗೆ ಬಂತು ಶ್ರಾವಣ, ಕುಣಿದಾಗ ರಾವಣ. ಕುಣಿದಾವ ಗಾಳಿ ಭೈರವನ ರೂಪ ತಾಳಿ. ಶ್ರಾವಣ ಬಂತು ಕಾಡಿಗೆ, ಬಂತು ನಾಡಿಗೆ, ಬಂತು ಬೀಡಿಗೆ. ಹೋ ಬಂತು ಶ್ರಾವಣ, ಹೋ ಬಂತು ಶ್ರಾವಣ. So this is how it goes. I'm not so sure about the next line. I can try. No, I'll just stop here. You can just go and watch the video in the YouTube. That will be much more easier and it will be much more comfortable for you. And this about the Shravana bantu kaadige. I hope ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆರ್ yashasvikannadavani@gmail.com ಗೆ ಮೇಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ನಾನು ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಐ ವೋಂಟ್ ಡೂ ದ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್. ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೂ ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಆನ್ ದ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿವಿಟೀಸ್ ಆನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಓನ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಮೀಟ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಲೆಸನ್ ವೆರಿ ಸೂನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ there is an announcement. And there are few books that is being launched by Yashaswi Kannada Vaani for adults as well as the children. For adults, the spoken Kannada ebook is being released, part 1, with the speciality of this book is which is in a colloquial version. The first book which is available in the colloquial version is the one which we speak usually. So please go check out the link. The link is mentioned in the description box. It's an ebook and the book is in a very affordable price. You can purchase the book and also refer the book for your friends who wants to and who are willing to learn spoken Kannada. And you also can follow the lessons, spoken Kannada lessons in my Instagram profile. You will get the link for that also in the description box. And for the children, the story books are available. Storybook level 1, level 2, tense book and the vocabulary book. All these books will help your children in learning a new vocabulary and learning the sentence structures and making their own stories and building up their confidence and making them so fluent in the Kannada language. So help your children by purchasing these books. You will get the link for these books in the description box. Please go check out the link. And the workshops are available for the beginners, especially Kannada Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshara, Arkavali, Dictation activities are there. The videos are available in the YouTube itself by the name Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. The playlists are created. Even the link are mentioned in the description box for this. Please do help yourself. Go to the description box. Link check ಮಾಡಿ. Buy the book, purchase ಮಾಡಿ. Do let your friends also know. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ to the Yashaswi Kannada Vaani YouTube channel. And ನೀವು first time ಬರ್ತಿದ್ರೆ, if you are visiting the channel for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel Yashaswi Kannada Vaani. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all with one more lesson ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ happy learning. Thank you.